Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a strut bar on your Mercedes C-Class. So the strut bar that I purchased, I bought online. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. This one will fit any 2008 to 2014 Mercedes C-Class. So it could be a C250, C300, C350. The only thing that doesn't fit is the AMG C63. So the purpose of the strut bar is to connect the two strut towers together. So that way you don't really get any flexing of the chassis when you're going into corners. This will really help the handling of your car, especially at high speeds and especially when you need to make quick maneuvers. So let's take a look at the strut bar and then I'll show you how to install it on your car. So here's what you get in the kit. It came shipped in that box. Everything was bubble wrapped and saran wrapped really nicely to protect everything. You get two steel brackets. Those will go onto your strut tower. And this is the aluminum made CNC finish bar that will connect both of the brackets. The aluminum bar is held onto the brackets using these high strength bolts. You get two, which will slide right in here, slide right in here. You get some racing decals, you get an instruction sheet. Everything is actually pretty straightforward to install. Let's get to it. Starting in the passenger side, you want to remove these three bolts using this E12 reverse Torx socket. Just snap it to your ratchet and go ahead and remove the three bolts. Now go ahead and align your metal bracket to the three holes. And for each of the bolts, put some Threadlocker on it, just so it's nice and snug when you screw it down. I'm gonna go ahead and hand tighten them for the time being until all three are in place. Go ahead and use your socket wrench and tighten them down. And then finally use a torque wrench to torque them down to about 18 to 20 foot-pounds of torque. I'll go ahead and repeat the same process for the driver's side. Now you can grab the strut bar and you can align it with the two metal brackets. Now you want to use the bolt and insert it through the bracket, through the strut bar, back to the bracket, and you want to hand tighten the nut. You want to hand tighten it because you will need to align the other side, so you will have to hand tighten the other side as well. Once they're fully hand tightened, then you can go ahead and use your socket wrench to tighten it all the way down. That's it. Everything is nice and installed. It looks really good. Let's go test it out. Well, there you have it, another easy mod to increase the performance of your car and make it look cool at the same time. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.